Welcome to Tallo. Today we'll take you through the Explore tab and all it has to offer. The Explore tab allows you to connect to opportunities through your Tallo profile. Think of it as a one-stop shop to take the next step in your career search. Across the top, you'll see that we are in the Explore tab. And at the top, we have 4 hubs: Jobs and Internships, Career Navigator, Courses, Scholarships. Let's select Jobs and Internships. On this page on the left, you can see that we have opportunities for you to filter down by job title, city, industry, career, category. There's other filters that you can drill down to as well to narrow down your job search, and then click Apply. Once you do, you will see on the right-hand side all of the jobs populate that meet your filters. Additionally, you can do the same thing in the Courses tab. Utilize the filter options to narrow down and drill down courses that you might want to take, as well as internships. Going back to the Explore tab home, if you look below, you can see that you can explore all of our Tallo partners. You can view all, you can look by companies, colleges, workforce initiatives. Using the search bar, you can directly type in one of our partners to view their profile. We have a few that we've highlighted on the home page. And at the very bottom, we have some partner spotlights. Here you can see some of our partners if they have YouTube videos, work flexibility, culture, perks, industries, and as well if they have any open opportunities. Once you select open opportunities, it will populate that partner's profile. You can take a look around, see what they have to offer, and if it's somebody that you're interested in connecting with, simply click the follow button. And that's our Explore tab. Thanks, and enjoy your journey on Tallo.